Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic for Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness on this smartphone. You need to start by opening device's settings. After that, scroll down and choose display and brightness. Now you need to select this gray switcher next to automatic under brightness slider. And as you can see, after that, auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!